Hi, I've got the X15 open. I don't have a copy right now of Home Designer Pro 2024. I just drew a box here. I'm going to put a door down here, like the door. Here's is either 5 foot or this could be, I'm going to make this a 6 foot. I'm going to put two doors there side by side. And this one's going to be fixed. So I'm going to open it up, get rid of the hardware, over to hardware, and use default, we'll go none. And default none. It's already not showing hinges. I need to get rid of the bolt in this one. Yeah, right here. None and none. That's just the door. And also the angle of the swing on the general tab. Yeah, right here. That'd be 0. And that's basically a fixed door. See? This one's hinged, got the box on it like your picture. Let's take a look at this in an elevation camera, wall elevation camera. I've got a 10-foot ceiling in here. Now I'm going to take this door and select them both. You don't have to select them both at the same time. And then I'm going to go and make these, leave that alone. What I want to do is change the type. There we go. Left panel. This, that. And then we'll go over into the lights tab. And yours had 2 and 5 or something like that. I'm like, something like that. Let me take a look at the photograph on my other monitor here. Excuse me. Yep, it's got 2 across. I got that right. Can't see the bottom of the. Can't see the bottom of the door. Anyway, you get the idea. That's close enough. That's the door part. And these open indicators, I usually turn those off. That's on a layer and display options on alphabetically on opening indicators. And some people use them. I don't use them. Now for the window up here, go to the window tool, and you just, in an elevation camera like this, you just click. There's your window. Of course, you have to make it look like the window you want. So I'm going to open the dialog box on this default window that was put there. And we'll make it a fixed glass. Fixed glass. I'm going to get rid of the sill. Transom windows like this commonly don't have sills. So I could have. It's your choice. Sill. I choose to have no sills. Now I'm going to go over here to the side. Now, this window is probably 6 feet wide. 6 feet. And probably not 35. I think it's 24. And over the top, only 6 inches below the floor for a header, at least, to be 114. I'm going to take this and use the arrow keys. And then open it. Go to the lights tab. And look at 4 lights up on the top. 4 across. There you go. I think because these are two doors, it's making it a little bit wider. So I'm going to make the window a little bit wider. And if you're working with exact specs, and make it exact specs. but just for tooling around like this, I'm going to add a couple of inches. And there you have it. That or variations on that, how you do this. Hope this helps you. Whether it does or not, make it a great day.